Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is the first alternate card using elements from the November 2023 Warm Wishes Paper Pumpkin Kit, and I am going to straight up pull items from the October Home from the Holidays kit. So I've got the card base and one of the card fronts, and those are just going to go together like that. I am using the Warm Wishes from Our House to Yours, or Our Home to Yours, and the little Scotty dog. And this is what I'm going to make, is this little banner. I had to try it first to make sure that everything would fit on this little banner. The banner is from the previous month's kit as well. I'm using pecan pie because I wanted to really kind of pull out the colors in the houses. Now I'm going to pull this probably right out of frame so that I can line this up, because it's really quite tiny to line up. And just place it down. I think I'm crooked. Oh no, I'm good. Yay. And I'm using the little, I called it a Scotty dog. It could be any kind of dog. This one really just fits in the, on the end here. So stamp that down. There we go. And I just used some Stampin' Blends to color him in. I used the dark the light real red and the dark real red. Sorry, my real red is a little stiff. So I just did dark on his collar and on the piece of, or the scarf around his neck and the piece at the back. And then I did light real red on the front piece there. And then I used balmy blue for the letter or the envelope in the dog's mouth. And then I used, this is the ivory. I wanted something that complemented the pecan pie ink, but didn't overwhelm it. So I'm just coming in and adding a little bit of color to the dog there. And then we are simply going to flat mount the piece from the previous kit right at the bottom there, just like that. Okay, so we've got our kind of staggered look. You could dimensionalize it if you wanted to. I am going to dimensionalize the greeting. So one there and one there. You could add some bling. I still have some of the glitter glue from the previous kit. Or you can use your Wink of Stella, which I'm going to do. So just put that down like that. So we've got Warm Wishes from Our Home to Yours. Make sure I've got the right Wink of Stella going on here. And I do. So we're just going to add some glitter to the rooftops. You don't have to be perfect with it. And if you wanted to add some to the windows, you could. Just a quick little doodad there, and maybe a little bit in the trees because the snow is sparkling in the moonlight on the trees. You could go to town and do all kinds of things. But this is the first alternate project using elements from the November Paper Pumpkin Kit called Warm Wishes, and adding them to elements from the October kit. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more alternates using more elements from the November kit.